Hey, Darren, a couple questions for you.
Yeah, what's up?
What is your favorite fall activity?
Probably being at the dealership, selling cars.
Okay. If you could drive any Mazda this fall, what vehicle would it be?
Ooh, probably a CX-5.
Okay, why a CX-5?
Just because I personally love the different interior trims and I just love the body style of it.
Okay, cool. Hey, Gus, 2 questions for you.
Yeah,
What is your favorite fall activity?
I don't know. But if I had to choose, I would say going to a haunted house.
All right. If you could drive any Mazda this fall season, what vehicle would it be?
I think it would be my Mazda CX-5
Why a CX-5?
because it's great in snow, especially if you have winter tires, and all of them are all-wheel drive.
Cool. Hey, Selena, a couple questions for you.
Okay.
What's your favorite fall activity?
Pumpkin patch and bonfires.
Perfect. If you could drive any Mazda this fall, what vehicle would it be?
The CX-5 Premium Plus.
Why?
Why? Ooh, okay, so you get the heated seats,
Mm-hmm.
you get the heads-up display, and the heated steering wheel.
Cool.
Definitely a 3 pluses.
Nice. Hey, Kelly, a couple questions for you.
Sure.
Okay, so what's your favorite fall activity?
I love going on walks and trails. I love seeing the season change and just kind of embracing nature's natural beauty in the fall.
Perfect. And if you could drive any Mazda this fall season, what vehicle would it be and why?
I would definitely stick with my Mazda CX-50. I love that it's lower to the ground, so you're still getting that sedan feel, and with the wider wheelbase and longer length in the vehicle, you can definitely fit all those holiday presents that are going to be coming up, and then that's not even including the MyDrive, so that amplified all-wheel drive system, so that's definitely going to be safe, keep you safe and secure.
Nice.